Hello, in this video I am with the Vivo V15 Pro and I'm gonna show you how camera pro mode looks on this smartphone. So to open the pro mode we have to go for the left side, and here we can find it. So first of all, now we can just simply click on this icon right here in the right bottom corner, and here you can find a description of every parameter that you can find on the pro mode. So right now I'm gonna quickly show you how you can adjust all of these parameters. So first we can start from the exposure compensation, and we can set it up between +2 and the -2. That's, by the way, the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Next we can find ISO level. Another one is the shutter speed, and we can set it even for the 32 seconds. If you want to reset any of these parameters, you can just click on these arrows. Right here we can find the white balance, and here we can adjust focus range. By tapping right here, you can also enable camera leveler. On the left side, you can find flashlight, and right here we can also add shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.